Hello guys, welcome back. Today we'll be starting the problems of exercise 6.4, and if you want to learn the triangles chapter from the basics, do watch all my videos of this chapter. So let's start. Welcome back guys. Before starting this exercise, all the problems of this exercise are based on the theorem of areas of similar triangles. I have already discussed this theorem in my previous video, and also for the BPT theorem and other exercise sums, you can get the link from the description. So let's start the today's exercise. The first question of exercise 6.4 says, let triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF and their areas be respectively 64 cm square and 121 cm square, and EF is equal to 15.4 cm. Find BC. First we shall draw the diagram. Triangle ABC and triangle DEF. ABC, DEF. Given, they gave triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF and they gave their areas. Area of ABC is 64 cm square. Same way, area of DEF is 121 cm square, and they gave EF is 15.4. This is 15.4 centimeter. BC we need to find. To find BC. Solution. Now, when they give two triangles as similar, we can apply the formula of area of similar triangles. Nothing but area of ABC by area of DEF is equal to BC by EF the whole square. Now, area of ABC is what? 64. DEF is 121 is equal to BC we need to find by EF is 15.4 the whole square. Next step, this square will go as root. So root of 64 by 121 is equal to BC by 15.4. Root of 64 is 8. 8 8s are 64. Same way, root of 121 is 11 is equal to BC by 15.4. Now cross multiply. 11 into BC is equal to 8 into 15.4. So BC is equal to 8 into 15.4 by 11. 11 ones are 0.4. 11 fours are 44. Nothing but 8 into 1.4. So BC is 11.2 centimeter. So we got the value of BC. The second question says, diagonals of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to DC intersect each other at the point O. If AB is equal to 2CD, find the ratios of areas of triangle AOB and COD. First we shall draw the trapezium ABCD, and the diagonals intersect at point O. Now write the given part. They gave AB is parallel to DC. So AB is parallel to DC, and also they gave AB is equal to 2CD. Now we need to find the ratios of areas of triangle AOB and COD. So AOB, COD. So to find ratio means division. So area of AOB divided by area of COD. Now solution. Before applying the formula of the areas of similar triangles, first I need to prove that AOB and COD are similar. So in triangle AOB and triangle COD, so AOB and COD, I know these two angles are vertically opposite angles, so I'll name the angle as 1, 2. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Same way, AB is parallel to DC. So can I tell their alternate angles will be equal? So I'll mark this as 3, this is 4. So angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Alternate angles are equal. Now by angle-angle similarity, I can tell triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD. Now I can apply the areas of similar triangles. Area of AOB divided by area of COD will be equal to the square of the ratio of the corresponding sides. Now in this two triangle, I'll be taking side AB and CD. Why? Because in the question, in the given part, they have given AB and CD. So it is AB by CD the whole square. So AB they have given 2CD by CD the whole square. CD gets cancelled, nothing but 2 by 1 the whole square, which is equal to 4 by 1. So the ratio is 4:1. The third question says, in figure ABC and DBC are two triangles on the same base BC. If AD intersect BC at O, show that area of ABC divided by area of DBC is equal to AO by DO. They have given the figure. In this figure, they tell triangle ABC and triangle DBC are on the same base BC, and also they tell AD is intersecting BC at point O. Now we need to show that area of ABC divided by area of DBC is equal to AO by DO. So the given part is nothing but ABC and DBC are two right triangles on same base BC, and this is to prove. Before proof, I need to construct two perpendiculars, that is AP perpendicular to BC, same way DM perpendicular to BC. So construct AP perpendicular to BC and DM perpendicular to BC. Now proof. Why I have constructed these two perpendicular? Because I'll be applying the formula of half into base into height. So for triangle ABC, the base will be BC and the height will be AP. Same way for the triangle DBC, the base will be BC and the height will be DM. So as given in the question, area of ABC divided by area of DBC is equal to, so half into, in ABC the base is BC and height is AP. Same way for DBC, half into base is BC and height is DM. So half BC gets cancelled, we get AP by DM. But we need AO by DO. We got AB by DM. Now I'll be proving the similarity of AOP triangle and triangle DOM. So let this be 1. So in triangle AOP and triangle DOM, I can tell angle P is equal to angle M is equal to 90 degree. That is by construction. Same way, I can tell that these two vertically opposite angles will be equal. So I'll name the angle as 1, 2. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Vertically opposite angles are equal. So now by angle similarity, I can tell triangle AOP is similar to triangle DOM. Now I have proved the similarity of these two triangles. So can I tell their corresponding sides are proportional? So AO by DO is equal to AP by DM is equal to OP by OM. AO by DO is equal to AP by DM is equal to OP by OM. Nothing but corresponding sides are proportional. Now I got AP by DM is equal to AO by DO. So this information I will be substituting here. In place of AP by DM, I will be substituting AO by DO. ABC triangle area of DBC is equal to AP by DM. So by substituting, I get area of ABC divided by DBC is equal to AO by DO from 2. So we proved the 2 proof. So hence proved. So the today's session completes here. I hope you liked the video and understood all the sums. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and press the bell icon to get all the notification of my videos. And also share this with your friends and spread the knowledge. Thank you. Jai Hind.